In my last video, I spoke about 3 tests one needs to pass before one is able to make big money. And the tests are number 1, test of joy, and number 2, test of purpose, and number 3, the test of creativity. But before we can go to learn even the first test, there are 2 lessons that we need to learn, and that's what we are going to learn in this video. See, you have to understand another aspect of money. I'll ask you a question. How much money is there if you all added it up? Suppose if we add all the money that is there, how much money is there? Pause this video and answer that question. Now I know you will come up with an answer saying that you cannot state accurately how much money is there if you all added it up. All right, let me ask you the same question in another form. How much money can be there at any one time? Now you may feel that this is a trick question and you may come up with an answer saying that even you cannot answer this question to the greater accuracy. And your answer can ultimately be money is limitless. And that's the bottom line. So the bottom line, for your bottom line, is that money is limitless. The more money you create, the more money you have to invest or to spend. And that leads to others having more to spend or invest. Clear? Okay, now here is a life-altering lesson. Note it down very well. Money is like love. You can always create more love. Take for example a mother who has one child. Now that mother has lot of love, limitless love for that one child. But the instant the second child is born, she has as much love for the second one as that of the first child. It's almost 100% instant increase, isn't it? And one of the great things about love is that the more love there is in a family, the more love gets created. A loving community can create love faster, far faster than an uncaring one. And for someone to get more love, they don't have to steal love from someone else. Now a 5-year-old child may have trouble believing it because the child thinks that the second child has stolen her love from her mother. But the fact of the matter is that a new baby in the home may take a mother's time, but not her love for the older one too. The time is finite, love is not. So money is much like love. Now, having understood the first lesson that money is like love, here is the second lesson. To have money doesn't necessarily mean that you have diminished someone else's pile of money permanently. Certainly, their pile of money, their stock of money may get diminished temporarily for some time, but you have created value for them. You have traded them something that they can use, either to sustain themselves or to help them create value and earn more money. After all, that is the proper use of their money, their storehouse of value. So remember this, money like love can be created. Money like love is limitless. Money like love is most easily created where it already exists. To make big money, you don't have to take someone else's money and leave them deprived. Remove this from your mind. You can create value for them, and that leaves them better equipped to create value for others. Isn't it really exciting? There is no limit to creating wealth. There is no limit to the money that you can make. And that's the word, make. It's not taking, it's making. And the important thing to understand is that the better those around you do, the better you do. Creating wealth by creating value is the honest way of making money as far as genuine and honest money makers are concerned. And that is going to be our way. You should be aware, and you are aware of the fact that there are some money makers who do not create new wealth, but they just skim money from others, and such people wind up in jails. There is another category of people who are unethical but not legally wrong in making money, and they end up becoming public heroes. That is not going to be our way of making money. The real creation of money comes from serving others. It is honorable. Creativity is a gift from God, and we honor God when we use His gifts to serve others. Some people pervert that. It is upsetting, but that is not going to be our way of making money. We are going to make money in ethical, honest manner by serving others after learning the principles that will be taught in this video course. So that much enough for today. Let us begin with the test of joy in the next video. But before I go, let me satisfy one curiosity expressed by many of my young advocate friends, and they want to know which is the book that I am teaching these principles from. All right, let me tell you. The book is this, Big Bucks by Ken Blanchard and Sheldon Bowles. This is a wonderful book, and if you wish to purchase this book, I am giving the links to this book in the description of this video. And let me honestly make it clear that the links that I'll be giving are affiliate links. Okay, so let me tell you what this book gives in short. See, it tells you big bucks make serious money for you and your company. Yes, the book claims that you can make money not only individually for yourself, but also for your company. And let me tell you, one of the most important things about this book is that it took the authors a 10 long year period to write this book. You know what the authors tell? From the first draft to final manuscript, this book has been more than 10 years in the writing. During that time, many people have read and reread the book as it progressed and have given us great feedback. So they are acknowledging the feedback. The important thing for you to understand is that the book was not written overnight, because the book contains higher principles on which it is based. I'll read the short summary that is there at the back cover of the book. Big Bucks offers new and irresistible practical advice to create money and get rich. And of course, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This book uses a business parable to demonstrate how to overcome 3 challenges: the test of joy, the test of purpose, and the test of creativity to achieve spectacular financial success. Through a series of easy-to-follow steps and powerful strategies, Blanchard and Bowles show you how you can gain wealth and create lasting prosperity. They reveal how, by focusing on concepts like commitment, intensity, purpose, and even fun, anyone can build personal wealth and financial security. So that is what this book is all about. It's a wonderful read, and I read it at least 3 to 4 times. I am still reading and rereading it again to make the concepts clear to you through this video series. And definitely please give your comments in the comments box so that I can understand whether you are liking, whether you are loving what I am teaching you, what I am telling you, what I am sharing with you. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video with the test of joy.